everyone. Today's topic is nouns. So, what is a noun? A noun is a place, thing, person, and animal. It is a name, place, animal, thing. This is called as noun. We have many types of noun in which I'll be explaining you this 4 types of noun. So, it is proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and countable and uncountable noun. So what is a common noun? In this, you can just observe the pictures and identify that any nouns in common is called as common noun. Any noun which is having a common name is called as common noun. For example, hairspray, car, caterpillar, butterfly, hat, elephant, orange. So these nouns which have its name common is known as common noun. And proper noun. This proper noun or specific names. For example, for people, if you have a specific name like Mr. E, Mr. Lee, Charles, Charles Dickens, like that. When you have a particular name, specific name, it is called as proper noun. For people, place, the individual place like India, Russia, like that, and things on particular and animals. So this is called as proper noun. And collective noun, all nouns, like the nouns collectively in a group is called as, for example, thieves. So when you have many thieves, the collective noun for thieves is a pack of thieves, a flock of tourists, a team of workers, choir of singers, a giggle of girls, a class of students, a circle of friends, a colony of penguins, a pride of lions. So this is few example of collective nouns. Collective means in a group. The nouns in a group is referred as collective noun. And now we have countable and uncountable nouns. The word itself refers, countable means the nouns which is being counted, which could be counted, and uncountable means the noun which cannot be counted. Here potato, tomato, apple, burger, salad, carrot, eggs, orange, watermelon and grapes. These are the nouns which could be counted. But here it could only be measured. For example, coffee, milk, rice, honey, bread, cheese, butter, sugar, tea, meat. So these are nouns which could be measured and which cannot be counted. This is called as uncountable nouns. Thank you.